How to create animations like this in Canva. Using the reels dimension, I will just put in my text. So I'll just paste mine and then click R on my keypad for a rectangle shape. Then I will change the color of this and duplicate this shape into 3 places. Once I duplicate it to 3 different places, then I will change the color of each shape. Now let's add the picture. For this, I'm using a lipstick, so I will just reduce the size to fit into the box like how I want it. Now let's duplicate this page. So just click here and click duplicate, and then I want to move this teal part, which is this one. I will group it and then move it to the side till it is almost invisible. So you want to make sure you can still see just a bit of it till it is slightly invisible. Then I will do the same thing for this one. For this, I will just move it, but it will still show, so this is not invisible. Then I will stretch out this one and then increase the size of this product. Then put in my text. Then I'm just going to group my text, go to animate and choose the pan option, which is this one. Then click on enter, increase the speed and make sure it is in the other direction, just like this. Next, we'll duplicate this page again. So duplicate and move it to the 3rd page. So make that page the 3rd page. Then I'm just going to bring in my text here. I'll just copy this text and paste it onto the 3rd page. So copy it and then paste it here. Then I'm going to move this to the side till it is almost invisible. Then I'm going to add the pan effect, but the opposite direction. You can see that it's still visible, so it should be almost invisible. So now to the next part of it, I will duplicate this page again and then move this to the side. So I'll just move this particular one to the side like this. Make sure that they are well aligned. So just like this, almost invisible till it's perfect. I'll still shift it a bit. I want it to be almost invisible. Then I will move this part. I'm just going to stretch it because this is what I want to highlight. Then I'll increase the product. Then I'm moving the product to the side. Then I will put in my text. I will also animate the text like I did for the first one using the pan animation. Next, I will duplicate the page again. I will move this text. Remember how we did the last one? I'll move this text to the other side of it and make it almost invisible and change the pan effect to the other side and increase the speed. Now let's also duplicate this page and then move it to the end of the page like this. So you can see that we have 6 bars now. I'll move this now, and what I want to do is to move these boxes to the other end of it, just like this. So I'll move it till it is almost invisible. Then I will stretch this one out. So I will stretch this green box like this, increase the size of this, and then repeat the same process. Add my text. Now I will duplicate this page again and move it to the extreme to make it the last page. So I want to delete this, and this is where I have my call to action, where it is telling the user what to do, or the websites to visit and all of that. I think this looks fine. Then next thing, you want to go to the pages and add the match and move animation to all of the pages. So this is going to be between all pages like this. You will add the match and move transition. Next thing I will do is to look at the duration and change all of the duration to 0.6. But for the first page, this is going to be 0.7. And for the subsequent pages, I will leave it at 0.6 seconds. So for this, 0.6. But for the first page, it's going to be 0.7 because I want that to stay longer. And for the last page, it is also going to be 0.7 seconds. And now for the moment of truth, this is our result. You can see how beautiful this is. You can use this on any other product. You can use it on bags, shoes, food, however you want to use it. If you've gotten to this point, please subscribe so you can see more tutorials like this on practical examples on how to use Canva. Hope you found this helpful, and let me know if you have any comments.